let's get right into it. As you know, if you've been following the channel, you know that we love to start on the street side to do our any kind of work, our fall cleanups or just regular mowing. So you see the curb is getting nice and cleaned up. We're just blowing that out, and we're just gonna work on getting those leaves onto the principal lawn, which is on the left side as you can see. And we're just slowly moving them in that direction. We're just blowing and passing the mower, creating that nice separation, cleaning little by little as we're making our way onto the principal lawn. And with all of our work done on off the sidewalk, we're now on the principal lawn, and we're just gonna keep that discharge chute towards the center of the lawn area. We don't want to be spreading our leaves onto the neighboring property or off back onto the sidewalk. So you're just gonna see we keep our discharge chute aimed towards the principal lawn area. Now that we're getting the majority of the leaves onto the principal lawn area, we're gonna start mulching them. We're gonna be using our Skag V Ride with our very own mulching kit attached onto our mower that's going to allow us to mulch these leaves without creating any more dispersion onto unnecessary areas. So right here what we're going to start doing, since we have most of the edges cleared out and we have the leaves more in the center of this lawn, we're going to start mulching and mulching towards the center as slowly depleting that pile of accumulated leaves, and we're just going to mulch them down until they're pretty much shredded down to a very small finite composition. Now that we brought down that large accumulation of leaves on the lawn, we're just going to begin our second phase and do our striping. And it's just going to be a very simple line by line process. We're just going to go up and down on the lawn in a horizontal direction. So we're just making sure to get those edges again, and we're just closing up our basket, which will control dispersion of any leftover debris that could be on the lawn. So we're just going to keep that basket closed as we're running over the lawn, striping. And we're now on to the second half of this little leaf mulching service. This is just a little thin strip on the left side of the driveway. And like we always do, we just get the leaves off the sidewalk onto the lawn. But oh no, we didn't close our basket in time not to shoot some extra leaves onto the neighbor's side. But that's okay, we all make mistakes. So all we're gonna do is just blow the leaves off of the neighbor's side back onto our side and get back to mulching. And this time we will make sure to keep our basket closed in order not to discharge any leaves onto unwanted areas basically. So we're just keeping that basket closed because the very thin line between the property of the one we're working on and our neighbors. So we're just keeping our mulching kit nice and closed. Just getting the rest of that debris and leaves onto the lawn area so that we can mulch them up and finish up this job. And as we always do, we always finish off with the before and after here at the same time, so you could see how the work turned out, how it was and how it is now. And there was quite a bit of accumulation of leaves on the lawn, and we just cleared them right out by mulching up. And here's a final view of the property, the final results. Hope you guys like the work and avoid throwing leaves onto your neighbor's lawn like we did. Till next time, take care.